Welcome back to my morning report. Charles President on Friday the 18th of November with Mooch, Japan Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at cable now, and this is a really interesting chart, I think, because considering the dollar strength that we've had, the big dollar strength we've had, I think cable is pretty well supported. It continues to sort of be a drift decline rather than a massively precipitous decline. It's sort of just unwinding, really. I mean, the high lows are in place, aren't they? 23.30, the breakout. You've got the high low at 23.50. You've actually got, I'll show you on the hourly chart, a 23.80 support as well that's holding. So the decline or the sell-off in cable is not really all that negative at the moment. You're trading above the 21-day moving average, which has been supportive in the last couple of weeks. It's all still intact. And again today, it's basically only trading pretty much flat on the day, just a mild bit of dollar strength. So it is interesting that this move is being seen. Now, just sort of zooming out, you can say, well, you've basically unwound back to, I won't go back too far, because you've got that. This is the base pattern at 23.30, you're still above that, you're still above the 23.50, and again, overnight, 23.80 has held. That was the 23.80 low on the 15th, and again today, 23.80 has held. So, you're still intact on all these signals, and basically the momentum indicators pretty much neutrally configured, aren't they, between 35 and 65 on the RSI. On the hourly, MACD lines are just turning up. It's still fairly much range bound. You've got a little pivot within the range at 24.50, which the bulls would certainly want to get you back above. Seems to be a bit of a pivot. But generally speaking, the resistance comes in at 25.15, which is a spike high that we saw the other day. And that has sort of been held in the last couple of days as well as the high. Failure to 25.05 before, I think it was. No, 25.02. So it seems to be that is the resistance, 25.15 now. So a break above that would be needed to re-engage the bulls and sort of challenge that 25.57 level. But for now, I don't necessarily see the selling pressure is continuing. If you broke below 23.30, it puts a whole different complexion on the chart, because it would be sort of a topping out of this whole phase here, which would be the equivalent almost, I suppose, as the of the base pattern here. So it would be a completely different complexion, I think, at below 23.30. But for now, you are still holding up on cable, and it's performing pretty well against the majors. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.